Hey, what up guys? And today I'm going to do and show you some of the craziest teardown themes. This is a part 2 because if you don't know the part 1, just go and see in my YouTube channel, you'll figure it out. There's a part 1 as well, but this time we're gonna do the same theme but a bit different this time. And can't find anything tasty. Speaking of tasty, we have a tasty flippin' Zil, which is looks like a Brazil, but this is my truck. It looks juicy. Don't mind that. I'm gonna explain that later, okay? Just you saw nothing up there. You saw nothing. Dad, I gotta fix this car. If I want it to run, I need to fix it. And it's like flipping. It's not gonna run right now. I mean, I gotta figure it out before. Yeah. We do though can go ahead. I'm going to show you something around my base. Yeah. We have a bunch of piece of crap. We have a crap up here. And anytime you can just drive up, pick it up, lift it, and just come over here. Then you go. And now, anytime I just go to electronics, I just scroll up, click on this, and then usable furniture. See now those I click on electronic, medium, news. Actually, not news, advertisements. Why not? What's on the news? Lead chemicals. Blue Tide gives you super speed. How did I actually didn't thought of that? That's pretty juicy if you ask me. And it's just gonna leave it up there. Don't mind that. The craziest thing I done is to have a rocket that can go up to space. I'm lifting off. Oh, we going. How long will this thing fly like that? Because we're finding nowhere right now. I flippin' swear, we're finding nowhere right now. We are flying. But quite the opposite. The heck? Cool, so how about that? Is this good enough? So, is it good enough?
How you doing?
Button? I don't. Shall I press the button? Like that, like that, like that, and like that. I don't think we're getting that car back. Nope, not at all. The only hope we got here is actually getting to that. And bring the pieces to the mechanic. Hopefully he can get it back. I'm just gonna get in. By the way, this stupid steering wheel always gets in my way, so I'm just gonna oink, 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 oink. There! We have now a steering wheel that looks like a Cybertruck. Which it is a Cybertruck, which is not a Cybertruck. But it's a truck. It's not even a truck, I don't know how you call it. How do I even get out? Oh. I mean, my previous tank did the job done, so I think I can okay. We fixed this. Oh. And now we can take this thing with us and just throw it away. Anyway, let's get back on the road. My door won't shut. Shut it now. Let's just keep on going. Okay, we parked here. And my door isn't properly servicing. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it could look worse, but I mean, I done my job and it looks good. Yeah, it looks great, man. It looks great. Anyway, let's just get back in the truck and hopefully mechanic will fix it. Just don't mind that we are actually an mechanic. Mechanic Bob? Oh yeah, that's you. So, what do you think? It doesn't look too bad, right? Frame, it's just annoying. So what, you can fix that, yeah? Okay, I send you money, okay? I will get you money right when you fix that, okay? Yeah, bet. Okay, see ya, man. See ya tomorrow. Bro, my door won't even now my door works just fine. You think I'm panicking because of this, right? No. In fact, everyone forgets you can just use a physics gun. Now your door. That should work just great. I'll take that. Bro, open door. I need to take a door, thank you. I just figured out something. Now we don't have a door. That's a shame. That's a shame. I have a bathroom stall here. But you know where we could get one? I mean, we're literally having a junk. We'll figure something out. I just found this in my junk. Yeah. I definitely found this. Nothing really happened. I definitely found this. You can lock your door. I believe. Hopefully. At least something like a door. What? Definitely not going by the plan. Huh. Now you see the door in place. Now we mean business. Now anytime you want to go through the door, you will just dump underneath, and we're just gonna make a roof a bit bigger so you can just like that, right? It'll be good. It doesn't look any bad, okay? Worst thing, our toilets start to leak. Well, I have one thing to do. And then we're just gonna grab our naturally spawned spray paint, and then I'm just gonna choose red and There. Closed. Exactly. Anyway. If we just need to go to the bathroom, you will just usually just... You just wanna break your window and just... Oh shit! What the heck? What? I actually have one battery. It's kind of raining right now. I need to take a picture. Yeah, that looks quite the thing. Anyway, today's my thing to pick up my car. Wet. Oh wow, again. I made it. This time I'm gonna take a ride right here. Yeah, I think this is the best. Okay, we add mechanics. Definitely add mechanics. Mechanic Bob? Did you fix my car? Bob? What the actual fu- I mean, it doesn't look any bad. Bob? I don't think he had any sleep today. Bob, wake up. Bob? Bob? Yeah, Bob's not waking up. Let me just take him to my home. Bob, you good? He's just gonna take the back seat. Bob? What am I doing, Bryn? Just flipping. I hope you get better, Bob. I'm just gonna take a seat. Bob, are you right there, buddy? Bob? Oh. There you go. Bob. Bob's not responding once again. Bob, you need to get out. Bob. Well, I hope he's good. Bob, you need to be careful. Oh, where did this come from? Oh, there. What? Listen, Bob, watch out. This thing's gonna blow. You're gonna remember you, Marilyn. I mean, Bob. That's for sure. Oh damn, that went booming. My bad, Marilyn. And thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.